today we are getting ready for another date. I did a little one of these videos a while ago and you guys really seemed to like it, so I was like, let me do another one because I go on lots of dates with my boyfriend. Okay, wait, let me make my bed. It's messy. Better. Look how cute. Bought lamps and pillows off of Amazon on Prime Day. Okay. We're just gonna get into it. I'm starting with my makeup. Pretty basic. I'm drinking my coffee. But I feel like the quality looks bomb right now. I low-key am blind though. Like, not blind. I also don't have that bad of vision, but like I've gone to the eye doctor maybe once or twice in the past few years, I don't know. And they've told me I have 20/20 vision, but I like cannot see distance things sometimes. Like really questionable. Like my boyfriend, we like drove to Georgia. If you've seen past videos, you know this. We were driving and we were like, I don't know. We were kind of playing around and he was like, what does that license plate say? It wouldn't be like a Florida one or whatever. It would be like another state. And I would literally be like, Indiana, and it would be like freaking Idaho. Just kidding, I don't know. It just like, I was like not able to see them. I was over here. Couldn't see them. So, the eye doctors lied to me. Also, that's ugly. That's, I almost said Bradley. Oakley's bed. I really be mixing up their names. Oakley, Bradley. I call each other, but I don't know. Let's get into my makeup. So, let me pull my hair back. This is about to be looking rough. I have these clips I like to pull my hair back with. Just like so. They really bring my receding hairline up. That's okay. Just kidding. I don't have a receding hairline. I just have a big forehead. And that's okay. Before I show you guys these items, I want to thank Princess Polly for sponsoring today's video, and I want to mention that they ship from within the US and you can get free express shipping on orders over $50. And Princess Polly offers Afterpay and Shop Pay to all US customers. And you guys can use my code OMX20 for 20% off of your Princess Polly order. So if you see anything you like, it'll be linked in the description box and you guys can go get it and for 20% off with my code. Definitely go check it out. They have the cutest things. So obviously you saw the dress that I'm wearing. It's like to die for. You need this dress. So comfortable, like so comfortable and very like breezy for the summertime. Just so cute and on trend. I love it. This dress is so cute and comfortable. Ties around the neck like so. Shows a little back. It's so comfy and casual and cute for the summer. It's like an iconic dress. You need this in your closet. It's this sage green color. It's tight, it's high neck, and it has cinched sides. So flattering. You can make it shorter or longer. It's so cute. And then this dress is literally flattering on everyone. It's so cute. Cinches down the side. You can make it longer or shorter if you want. It's just so flattering. It really snatches your waist. It looks so good. So yes, love the color also. They have it in other colors, but I love this one. So cute. This really cute top. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know I love the color pink and orange together. It's so adorable. So this is like the cutest top. You don't have to wear a bra with it. It's just adorable. So freaking cute. This is such a good summer fit. This top, ugh, so cute. Like the cutest top ever. Probably one of the cutest crop tops I own. The colors, freaking love. So yeah, okay, so cute. This top, I actually have an Instagram picture in it, I think. Pretty sure, yeah, I do, with a palm tree. You can't really see it, but it is in a video I posted a little while ago. It's really confusing. It's a wrap top. I'll insert a picture and I'll show you guys what it looks like on. But it's so cute, and this color is like to die for. So love. And this top, you can literally wrap it a billion different ways. So cute. This one, I haven't worn it like this, but this is so fun and cute for the summer. This color is like perfect. I'm obsessed with this color. So cute. I wrapped it for a more conservative way in a picture, like to cover this area, and it was really cute too. But yeah, so cute. With the pink and orange thing, I do just love the color orange. So I got this little not off the shoulder, this like one shoulder tank top, and it's bright orange. This is like the summer color, I think. Orange and pink are like the summer colors for me especially, but I'm so obsessed with this. So pretty. The color is perfect. And this top is so cute. The bright orange is everything. I love it. The one shoulder is so on trend as well. Cute. To pair with all of those tops, I got these really universal little shorts. They are like a cream khaki color and they're so cute. They literally are so comfortable, and I do not say that often about like jean shorts. They are like denim. I do not say that often. These are probably the most comfortable shorts I own for denim shorts. So yeah, they're really great, and I love them. And these shorts, literally so comfortable. You can sit comfortably in them. They're so cute. They fit perfectly around the waist. Literally so cute. Oh my gosh, I love this top so much. So definitely check out Princess Polly. They have the cutest items. They have the cutest dresses ever. I have so many cute stuff from them. I really love their stuff, and they have all of the perfect summer pieces, so I would definitely check them out. Thank you again, Princess Polly, for sponsoring today's video. Go use my code OMX20 for 20% off of your Princess Polly order, and yeah, definitely check them out. I'm obsessed with like everything on the website, and you guys could definitely find something. If you liked anything I showed, it'll all be linked in the description box. Okay, yeah, thank you so much. Love it, love it, love it. I'm going to show you things I've been doing recently, because I bought new makeup. And yeah, so I'm starting off with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter Superstar Youth Glow stuff. It's a miniature one, I don't really know. And I'm putting this just like on my face. Let's talk, this is something I want to talk about because I'm like, I don't really care at all, but it's just so fun to like watch on the social medias, on TikTok. Let's talk about Nessa Barrett and Mads Lewis. One moment. I'm back. My makeup's still not blended in, but that's okay. Oakley threw up. But back to what I was talking about, the Nessa Barrett and Mads Lewis. Love that drama. But also, like, what side are you on? I mean, I don't really care about it at all. Like, I have no actual side. Like, I don't really know what even is going on. I know some things. But I'm definitely, like, I feel like they're being so immature. Not Nessa, but Mads Lewis or whatever her name is. Madison, Maddie, whatever. She's being very, like, immature. Like, grow up. Who the flip cares anymore? You have a whole new man and you, like, are still not over it. Get over it. And if you're not over something, don't have a new boyfriend. Don't, like, post. And they're, like, it just, ew. The way she posts with this new guy, I don't even know what his name is, but she, like, it's, like, nasty stuff. Like, hickeys and their tongues and blah. It's just, like, okay, are you trying to, like, make somebody jealous? I don't know. I guess it's just one of them things where I'm like, okay, get over it. Like, Jaden and Jaden and Mads, they, like, broke up 8 times before this happened, so it's like, come on, girl, get it together. You should have known you guys weren't going to stay together if you've already broken up 25 times. I don't know. I really don't know what happened, though. Like, I know, yeah. I just found out Jaden likes Nessa. So. Yeah, I know that. I watched that silly little podcast or whatever. I don't know. It's been a few months. You know, she's got a new man that she's licking up on, and then Nessa's with Jaden, and they're vibing. They don't care. So it's like, just get over it. Stop trying to be like, I'm gonna fight her. Like, run it up, Nessa. Like, shut up. No one cares. Grow up. It's okay. I'm going with NARS Creamy Concealer now on my pimples, which I'm breaking out so badly. Because I'm going to start my period on Tuesday, and it's Friday right now, so I'm breaking out pretty gnarly. But that's okay. Also, I have forehead wrinkles. Like, I literally, what? Stop. I'm freaking 19, and I have forehead wrinkles. I need to stop being so expressive. Just kidding. Be right back. I'm gonna go check on if he did anything in the living room. I just made that bed so pretty, and look at what he did. I've been using a... What did my voice just do? I was like... I've been using a brush to blend in my stuff lately, which is weird. Which I said in my last video, I think. Sort of just strange of me to be doing that. I'm like really taking too long on my makeup right now. I need to blend. But I am going to blend with this for under my eyeballs. It's dirty. I need a new one. Ooh, that angle is bad of me. Okay. So I've been using this KKW Beauty. I bought this a long time ago, but never really used it. But I've been using it sort of lately. To bronze and contour my face. I just like go in with it. I don't know, like the contour areas. I use both shades. Forehead. Ew, it's like totally getting in my hair. And on the side of my nose, like very lightly. Like that. And then with the same brush, I used one brush. This is from Urban Decay Prince collection. I don't really know what brush it is. It doesn't say, but it looks like this. And I just blended it in. Next, Bare Beauty liquid blush in the color Bliss. I saw a lot of videos on TikTok about this blush. They didn't have the color in stock at my Sephora that I was going to get. It was like the Happy or something. I don't remember what it's called. They didn't have it, so I bought this one. It's very pretty, but everyone was like, go really light. It's so pigmented. This one's not that pigmented. It's just like, I think, a light color. So I go in with it. I also just really like blush. So I go in. Just like that. And then with this brush again, I blend it out. This is the chattiest, like, get ready with me I think I've ever done. And I'm also kind of making it into a tutorial, which I feel like it's not a tutorial. I don't know why I'm explaining everything. But I also am just kind of showing you guys some new products I got. So I'll just show you that, and then I won't talk about the stuff you already have seen me do a billion times. Okay, I'm letting that sit. What's like the best date you've ever been on? Comment below, like your favorite date you've ever been on, or your like dream date, like your ideal date. Comment that below. Mine, I've been on a lot of dates with Bradley. Honestly, like never really went on dates with like previous douchies, but but Bradley takes me on all the great dates. For my birthday, he took me to Volcano Bay. Great Volcano Bay date. I don't know, we do a bunch of stuff together. We've done mini golf. I'm gonna use this blush. I get so many questions and videos when I do my makeup, and people are like, what blush are you using? And this is a Milani 01 Dulce Pink Baked Powder Blush. I change my blush all the time though. It's like kind of glowy, pretty. I go in with it because I love blush. Heavy blush is just like, I don't know when I adapted that, because I used to literally not wear blush when like the makeup was super harsh. Do you guys remember when like 2016 when your eyebrows were blocks? I'll insert a picture here. Ugh, so embarrassing. Oh, how far we've come. I used to not wear blush. So my face is like pretty much nice and done. And now I go in with some spray. This is the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray, and I spray my face. And then I pat it in, like so. Awesome. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera. Woo, okay, my eyebrows are done. Don't they look better than how I used to do them? Insert picture here. Using the highlighter that I've used for ever now, which is not a highlighter, it's an eyeshadow from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Yeah, inner corners. Eyeshadow, what should I do? I'm gonna use that same palette because it's here. I'm gonna use a like brownie orange color. I am not very like, I'm not bad at eyeshadow, I don't think, but I'm not very like in depth with what I do with it, if that makes sense. I kind of just freaking throw eyeshadow on my eyes until I'm like, okay, it looks good. See, like that looks pretty good. And then I'm gonna grab like a I don't know, maybe this color's pretty. A sparkly color on my eyelid, and it's my eye looks every day. Or I mean, maybe some days I don't do eye looks, but like today this is what I'm going with. Boom. I'm trying to decide, should I add like a little eyeshadow wing? Yeah, I'm going to. People think it's unsanitary when I lick my makeup brushes for extra pigment or whatever, but I think that it's efficient. Bam. Little wing action. Okay, we're almost done. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. So I bought a new eyelash curler. Here it is. It's very pretty. I don't like it, so I don't use it. I used my old one and I just replaced the little thingy. It's so dirty and gross, but I like this one, so I don't even know where I got it or what brand it is. I've been using the Essence one though, the Lash Princess. It's pretty good. The only thing I'm not sure about that I've kind of noticed is if it's like a little flaky after a full day, it like kind of flakes onto your skin. I don't know. Maybe I'm losing my mind. Maybe I just touch my eyes and I don't realize it. But it's pretty good at like doing its job. I swear I'm not picking my nose. I was just scratching it because I had a little itch in there. Mascara's on. Okay, before I do hair, I'm gonna straighten my hair today because I always curl my hair, so I'm like, let's straighten it. That's not plugged in. While that heats up, we're going to go brush my teeth and pick an outfit out. He is. Hi. What are you doing? You hiding? I didn't even see you. Oh. Here's the fit. It's so cute. I'm feeling very cute today. So I straightened my hair, did my makeup, and I'm wearing this cutie little knit light blue dress from Princess Polly. It's so cute.